Okay, so I'm going to introduce you to Fibonacci Snail, which is a marketing sequence based on numbers. So Fibonacci is a number sequence. It starts with 0, the next number is 1, and then from that point forward, you add the previous number to the current number. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, and 21 plus 13 is 34, which I'll explain in just a little bit. So when someone asks you to contact them, you want to respond to them immediately and give them the information that they're looking for. Okay, so in this situation, that's the 0. 1 day later, you'll want to follow up with them to see whether they've received the information that you wanted to send. 1 day later, you might follow up with some more added value. So it might be, I'd like some information on payroll. A day later, you instantly send them a report on payroll, how your payment services would work. Very well. A day later, you would follow up with them and say, I hope you received it and had an important time to read it. And you reference some information in that report. A really important area in that report is where we talk about this, this, and this. Okay, if they don't respond, then you would follow up later and later. And what this basically does is it allows you to back off, so you don't bombard your client with lots of information when they're obviously really busy. In the world of internet marketing, we get so much mail. We don't want to send them mail every day, every week, every month. So the numbers here could be days, or they could be weeks, or they could be periods of time. But what this does is it sequentially backs off until they're ready. So you'll send them the report straight away. A day later, you might reference back to that and ask them if they've got any questions or queries. A day later, you might ask them again, did you have a chance to read it, etc. Then you would back off a bit further. You'd leave them another 2 days, because unless they've responded, they're obviously really, really busy. And so then you would back off and back off and back off. And the reason we go to M is because 21 plus 13 is 34. It's more than a month. So once you back off completely, you would then just follow up monthly. Okay, now once they've clicked on a link or responded to an email, you would then again give them that information instantly. So you put them back at the beginning of a new sequence. So this is the report, you then follow up with them, and they click on another link, or they respond by telephone or by email, and then you obviously deal with that inquiry straight away. But then they get busy again, so then you follow up 1 day later, another day later, 2 days later, 3 days later, 5 days later, and then they respond again, and you obviously deal with it instantly. So using Fibonacci, which is a number sequence, gives us a really easy way of remembering when we should follow up without bombarding the client, but without also forgetting about them. So in the scenario of our campaign builder, we would have a web form which they fill out and instantly send them a PDF, an email, or send them to a web page. Then you would have your follow-up email straight afterwards that will have a clickable link or call to action. And then another email, this one 2 days later, which effectively is 4 days in total, could be a telephone call. So we obviously don't just want to send them emails for all these times. It could be a telephone call, it could be a personal visit, it could be another PDF. It should be something to add value. We don't just want to say, did you read it? Did you read it? Did you read it? Because there's no value in that. This second email 2 days later could be a case study. When we did the payroll for this particular company, this is how much money they saved. These are the errors that we found in the way they'd been doing it before, and we saved them $10,000 in taxes or whatever. Okay, so having added value, a telephone call is great for any particular questions you have. And then following up later on, maybe at this point we don't necessarily want to send them another PDF because they haven't responded to the first PDF. So you might want to give them an offer, a reduced version of our PDF, which just shows you the first 3 points that you must know about our payroll services. But the moment they follow any of these calls to action, you then follow up on that, ensuring that they've got the right information to the right person at the right time. And that is Fibonacci Snail. Why is it called Fibonacci Snail? If you draw this and you draw a 0.0 centimeters away from the center, then you draw another 0.1 centimeter away from the center, and another 0.1 centimeter away from the center, another 0.2 centimeters away from the center, 3 centimeters away from the center, 5 centimeters away, and you join all these dots. you end up with, my friend, a snail snail.